In this video, we are going to learn how to use the edge blend. So let's start. First of all, you have to just go to the modeling, and in modeling, you have to just go to the home. After going to the home tab, you have to just go to the edge blend command. It is going to blend the edges. Let's check. So once you click on edge blend, you will get the interface like this. Now it will ask you for the selection of edge along with the radius. So I'm going to select the edge. Here I'm going to select this circular edge, this one, and it will ask me for the radius. So you can see I'm getting the preview as I have turned on the settings for the preview. So this is how we can use the edge blend. Now we have applied a blend of 2 mm. Now here also I need some blends, so I'm going to put the value first as 0.5 so that the loading time could get reduced. 0.5 mm is enough. And on this edge, I'm going to give the fillet of 1 mm. This is enough. I'm giving the blend here so that I can show you how the tangent edges are going to work. Now in this case, I'm going to select the option for tangent curves, and here the radius is going to be 1, and now I'm going to select this one, and it will automatically continue the selection wherever the tangency is getting matched. So I'm going to click on this. Now you can notice that I have selected only this edge, but due to the relation of tangency, it is going to get the selection up to this point because I have activated the intent rule as tangent curves. Now click on OK. So this is how we can use the edge blend using the curve intent rule along with giving the radius value. So this completes the video on edge blend. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of edge blend. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.